Today in this video I'm going to show you how to screencast your Android tablet on over to your TV. So if you swipe down from the top right, we want to go to the internet options. And if we're connected to the same Wi-Fi internet as our TV, we should be able to discover it with our tablet. So you can see right there I'm connected to Scump, and I'm connected to Scump on my TV as well. So the two should be able to discover each other. Now on my Android tablet, my Lenovo tablet, I can go to cast right here. And I have to enable it casting. And when I do that, I can see my TV. So I got my Samsung TV, my Google Streamer, and then a wireless streaming stick 4K. So I got all these different options and a Samsung 6 Series 55, whatever. But I can also swipe down from the top right, and there should be an option for screencast or screen mirror or something right here. We can just go to this and then tap one of these devices. So let's tap this one. Tap the entire screen we want to cast, and then go to cast screen. So when we do this now, this should be on our TV screen. So I'm just looking at my TV right now to see if it turns on, and it turned on, and my tablet's on the screen. So I know this works. Just make sure your TV is turned on, connected to the internet. Then if you're using like a Fire TV or something like that, hold down the home button and then go to the screen mirroring option. And once you're in that mode, you should be able to discover it with your tablet now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.